How to fix TikTok error while login or sign up something went wrong. So if you are encountering this something went wrong or please try again later error on TikTok while trying to log in or sign up, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve these issues. First of all, you have to ensure that you have the stable internet connection. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that also solves your issue. So make sure that you are using the latest version of your TikTok. You have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store on your device and search for the TikTok here. Once you have searched for the TikTok, if there is any update available, then you have to update up your app. Also, you can navigate to your TikTok and long press on your TikTok and go for the eye icon. Once you are here, you have to tap on your clear cache here and you have to clear the cache of your TikTok. After clearing the cache, you have to restart your TikTok app on your device. Also restarting or rebooting your phone to refresh the system and the app. So if you are using the VPN or proxy service, you have to try disabling it, which may also interfere with the login process. So if you are using the email, try logging with your phone number. Also, you can uninstall this app and then reinstall it on your device. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the TikTok error whilst logging or sign up. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.